All right, guys, I want to show us how to trade on the new Kaspa Layer 2 EVM chain that is called Kasplex. So just take note of two things. The native chain has an address that starts with Kaspa followed by a colon and other alphanumeric. You can see it up here. While the second one is just the regular EVM, that is the Ethereum virtual machine format address, which is a 40 character that starts with 0 hex. So we know those are the two addresses that we're dealing with right now. So to start with, this OX always work perfectly with MetaMask and any other EVM wallet apart from this. So I'll be making use of Kasware wallet, and I'll be making use of MetaMask, which is this MetaMask wallet. Take note of that. So you can even see it here on the site. They said you should connect to wallet. They want you to connect the Kasware and they want you to connect the MetaMask. So how do you now start? I did a write-up, so let's work on the write-up. First, I'll put this write-up in the video description so you can copy and make use of it. Now, I'm doing this for the Android phone users first. So take note, the first thing to do as an Android user is to go to your Play Store, then install any extension browser of your choice. I have here Yandex, Macy's, Kiwi, Quetta, Microsoft Edge, and Fire Mozilla, and so on. Okay, so take note of that. I'll be using Quetta because that's what I'm using. You can see the logo Q, so I'll be using Quetta. It's a very good and beautiful interface browser. Now it supports extension. Take note, it's not all browsers that support extensions. Your regular Chrome app on your phone does not support extension. So after installing the app, I put the link here for those who prefer Quetta. But if you're already using others, you're free. Just continue from there. So go and install this app, Quetta, the browser, extension browser. The next thing to do is to install MetaMask wallet extension. This is the link, okay? This is the link. So let me just copy it and show you how to install it. So let's say you have installed your Quetta, then you just click on new window, then you run it. So you see it's loaded as a desktop page. If it didn't load properly, just come to this button, click on load as desktop site, not as mobile. So it's already on desktop, which is good for me. I could see the entire screen. Now I have here remove. Well, I'm not going to remove because I already installed it. If you're installing fresh, just click on add to Chrome instead of remove from Chrome. So that's for the MetaMask. Then you can also install the Kasware wallet. Now let's go to that Kasware wallet extension. This is the link. So I provided those two. Now let's go to step 3. Now you need cash. So let's say you have your wallet now opened. You can just come to this extension list, then you click on Kasware. So you open, you will see there's 0 balance. If you are a new person here, you see a new user. As a new user, you see 0 balance. Okay, so but I have 105 Kaspa here, which is equivalent to $8. So having said that, you now go to an exchange or any vendor. I'm a vendor, you can come to me if you need, but for those who want to buy on exchange, you can buy on MEXC even without KYC. Once the fund is not that much, if it's very much, you have to go through KYC process. And KYC account can also buy through P2P, where you use your local currency, that's fiat, to buy USDT or USDC, any asset whatsoever. Then after buying, you can convert it or use it to buy cash, which is Kaspa, then withdraw. Then you now go and copy the address, which is this one at the top, this first one at the top, Kaspa. That's the native address. So you withdraw to that place. Okay, this is the link. If you need MEXC, to register and buy your token. Now, when you withdraw, it takes less than a minute or 2 minutes max, except there is a congestion. It's going to land in your wallet and you're going to see the balance here. So let's say you now have your balance here. That's the next thing to do. You now copy this link, which is the Kasbridge evm.kaspafoundation.org. So after copying that, you come and run it here in your address bar. So after running that, it's going to load this. So let me refresh. So we're going to see the page now. It's a very simple and modest page. It's just a tool for the purpose. And you see, estimated time of arrival less than 1 minute. Very fantastic and excellent, at least for now. So you see the first one, it says you connect your layer 1, which is your main Kasware wallet. You see, I click on Kasware. So it will tell me to approve. But the reason why it brought this out instantly is because I'd already done that. So it brought my address, it brought my balance. You see, we're cool. If you want to disconnect, you can do if you wish. Then the next one, connect through MetaMask. Okay, so it connects. It shows me my balance here. I have here 5 here on the layer 2. So now I want to bridge in this 105. Okay, so let's go. I have here 100. Don't let me take the entirety. I should leave some funds in this main balance on the native balance. So I use 101. So I'm submitting. So it's going to deduct it and of instant. So I expect 101 plus 5, 106 here soon. So let me go to my MetaMask. And mind you, if you're using it for the first time, it's going to push up a notification that you should approve the network settings, the chain. You see, nothing in the balance yet. You can see the balance on the token. I still have my 5 here, but in soon time, it's going to change to 106. So it's going to ask you to approve that it should add Kaspa chain, because this is Kaspa chain. You know, there are a lot of chains here. There are a lot of chains on every wallet or for some major wallets. So, but I'm on Kaspa chain. That's why I'm showing Kaspa balance only. If I switch to something else, it's going to also bring it out. But let's stick to where we are. Okay. So I'm waiting. Okay, we have an increment 106. You see, $8. So it's no more in the Kasware wallet. It's no more there. Where's my Kasware wallet? This is it. So you see the balance reduction. So it's gone from $8. It's gone, but now it's in the other side. So that's why you can even see the balance here and see the new balance here. So I have successfully bridged to layer 2, or you can call it Kaspa EVM, which is also called Kasplex. The next thing to do now is to go and buy a token. I love ZEAL swap. I also love KSPR. They are my two favorites. Then there are other new ones coming up too, but majorly I'm using ZEAL. And in all those exchanges, they have some verified tokens, or tokens that the owners must have done their KYC in such a way that they know them and they can trust them. So they have verified them. Others, even if they are listed on this platform, they will still you will need to add their token or add the name of the token through contract address. But here it's pre-listed. So let me connect wallet. After connecting the wallet, then you have your cars. You select your tokens. Okay, so we have different verified tokens. We have the Nacho currently, Cash Pie, then Croak for now. All of this, I guess they're still working on them. ZEAL. So I'm going to buy their main token, their own personal token, the exchange tokens, which has a maximum supply of 133 million units. I see that as a good potential. So I'm going to be buying this with 101 Kaspa, which interprets to 25 ZEAL. So I'm going to swap and I'm going to approve this. I'm going to approve it. So you sign, you confirm. So this will go, then you have this, before it's zero balance. But now, okay, let's add it. Add ZEAL to your wallet, add, so that it will show, based on the contract address. This is the contract address. So you can just click on add. So it's been added. So let's go to the balance now and see what it's gonna show, if it's gonna be on the balance list. Okay, so we have here ZEAL, you see, and we have cash. So I still have little cash here, and I have the ZEAL token. So that's how to buy ZEAL token. And while we hold to moon, when you want to sell back, you just maximum, or maybe you sell on 50% or any amount. So you approve, you see, then you sign and confirm. So then approval must be ready, then you now click on swap. So, but I'm not swapping back. I just want to hold this for a while and see how the exchange is going to progress.